This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Susie Weldon. This beautiful 2,649 square foot home offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a versatile office, with closet, that can easily serve as a 4th bedroom. The large kitchen is perfect for cooking and entertaining, while the attached heated and cooled 2-car garage provides comfort and convenience year-round. Additionally, the property includes a 20 by 24 detached foam-insulated garage with electricity, ideal for extra storage or a workshop. Situated on 1.45+ acres with a big fenced backyard, this home offers plenty of privacy and space from neighbors. Additionally, it's just 3 miles from the marina, making it a perfect retreat for water enthusiasts. For more information,